Okay, that seems to. Hello. Okay, that one seems to work.
There you go, that's got notification you're live.
Good.
Yep, you're live.
Okay, so can you hear me at all in the video? I feel like I'm quiet. I feel like I'm too quiet. Hang on. I'm looking at OBS and it's not picking up much. Um, hello. Okay, I just had to. I'm spamming the microphone volume up button on my little thingy I have, and it seems to be improving it. So can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Can you hear me on the stream?
Yes, I can hear on the stream.
Alright, I can't say that. Alright, peoples. So I'm here with my friend Josh, or Diamond Creeper. And there is this old mod I made, like, in 2013, so almost 9 years ago. Almost 10 years ago. Actually, it might be 10 years ago. I don't actually know if I'm doing the math right on that. But it's very old. It is from Minecraft 1.6. I made this like ages ago when I was really young, and I want to try get it to work. In um, I want to try actually work out how to get this to install. So and play around with it. So I've thankfully um the download has been deleted off the internet. Like you can't find it anymore. But I happen to have it. I found this on an older computer. Um, on I think it's in my archive folder, and then in shit I made over 10 years ago, and here it is, Airmod. How do I get this? How do I get this into streamer mode? Creeper, I'm getting notifications. I'm missing
Um, could you share your screen on Discord real quick so I can help you with that?
look at the stream. I'm not
Well, it's delayed.
I'm
It's
not
delayed.
I'm not sharing my screen twice. So I'll just yag my internet. Um, how do I mute Oybeck for 24 hours? I'll mute both these servers for 24 hours. Cool. Muted both those. Alright, so I have the install files, and I will be uploading this archive log afterwards
Actually,
because
there's not much of a delay. If you open the Discord settings. Hmm.
I already solved it. Alright, so here's the
uh,
install files. This is you can't find this on the internet anymore. The Mediafire deleted it, but I have the file still. Um, found it a while ago. So we're gonna try and install this. So I know I'm gonna need Minecraft Forge, but like for 1.6. Minecraft Forge. I think this is 1.6 one. See 1.6 or 1.5. That was around the time this came out. Alright, Minecraft Forge 1.6.4 installer. They had an installer back then. This is like right when the new launcher came out. This might end up being super. If they have an installer, this might actually end up being super easy.
you don't have a thing to skip that, do you? Definitely you can skip the stupid skip thing. The ad thing.
I don't have an extension for that. No, I just have AdBlock. I have uBlock Origin and yeah. Alright, so Microsoft Organ. If I have anything to install 1.6, this might actually end up being super easy. If this is super easy, we can play some like old games I made as well.
Oh, this extension. Skip the head thing.
Alright, so now I need to download Minecraft 1.6. I need to enable historical versions. Alright, I'll add new installation. 1.6.4. I think it's either 1.6 or 1.5. If it's 1.5, this will be way more fun because 1.5 was still using the was before the new launcher. So it'll be way more hell to get this to work on 1.5. But I think I did update it to 1.6 at some point. I just never went further than that. I also don't have the source code anymore, so I couldn't go further than that, even though I wanted to. But it's down to 1.6. So we're down to 1.6 right now. What you guys doing? Yeah, I made this mod like 10 years ago. Posted in 2013. I have the Minecraft forum page for it if anyone wants to look at it. It's the Minecraft forum page. Posted in 2013. 12th of the 6th, 2013. Which actually I don't think was 10 years ago. I think it was more 9 years ago, but 10 years ago makes a better title, so. It's 1.6 really that long ago? 1.6 is when they added horses. Like, it doesn't feel like it was that long ago. Wait, I don't think that's accurate. I don't think you drag and drop the actual zip file into the mods folder.
No,
those instructions
that's
are wrong.
that's not gonna work.
It's what it says on the page. I don't think that's what you do. Um, okay, 1.6. Can 1.6 download? You know what else I found, people? I found freaking package installer 2.0. Remember that? Remember freaking package installer 2.0? I'm gonna just show you all this. I found this as well while looking around on my old computers. Like, like this thing. Package installer 2.0. Let me actually run it. Remember this? Who's early enough in the PS Vita scene to remember this thing?
I don't remember because I haven't used the Vita.
This is like really early on the PS Vita homebrew scene. Nothing like the nostalgia you get from going through your old hard drive. Yeah, pretty much. When I saw this, I was like, oh my god. Uh, Package installer 2.0. The code for this is actually kind of insane. Uh, like if you see here, look what it does. It creates a VBS script that starts a batch script, and it writes a batch. So first it writes a batch script that then start, but like then it writes a VBS script to start it without the window. Like it's actually kind of awful. Go there is terrible. Uh, Create PKG. I never actually made this, so yeah. Can 1.6 download? It's so freaking slow. I'm just gonna show you some of some other stuff I found here. I also found the complete source code to Wandering Drift. Oh, not in that folder. The complete source code to Wandering Drift, which is a RPG game I was working on in Game Maker 8. I never actually made into anything, but I found it. I might upload that somewhere as well. Wandering Drift. Run. I have another drive somewhere on a different computer that has like a bunch of old Game Maker files on it. There's also a few that were on the Wayback Machine for Sandbox serial games. This looks like 1.6 looks like it's almost done though. Forgot how long Wandering Drift actually takes to start up. Oh dude, look at that like now ancient Mojang logo. Alright, we got it 1.6. Awesome. Now let's install Forge. Oh, I can't even start this. Cool. Oh, I don't need it now. We're trying out, we're gonna try to install this mod thingy. So, we need to install Forge. Yes. Wonder if the installer for Forge will even still work. Because it's worked the launcher before this one. So it might not actually still work, we'll see. Oh yeah, also I was going to try beat the Ender Dragon with this mod. Alright, successfully installed Forge. Okay. Now we just go to percent app data %/ dot Minecraft. And now I've created a mods folder, right? I think that's how it works. Mods. And then inside the mods folder, we extract the mod jar. I believe it's a jar inside here. Wait, what? There isn't an mod jar?
No, there isn't a jar. I looked into it before.
What? Wait, do you actually just drop the zip into the mods folder? There's no way. That won't work, surely, right? Wait, did that work? I don't remember. I know they changed how the mod system worked in Forge, like, at some point. Maybe this will work. Because this was back when it used, like, the mod Yodo system. The editing textures on Video Edition is easy. Hey, soy PAZYYZYT, you should change every texture in Minecraft PS Video Edition to a trans flag. Continue the legacy. Alright. Jar is not just zip RBAC, there's actually something at the end of it. It was talked about, and Live Overflow talked about that in his video, that Jar is not actually just a zip file. Alright, so 5.0, that was actually surprisingly easy. It includes include two mods, include air mod and bottom mod. Oh my god. Okay, so that's a reference to Skyler's Minecraft. If any of you are classic enough to know who that is. Let's just check out on creative first. Creeper you have?
Yes, how did that even work? How you just drop a zip and it worked?
I think the mod system used to be different back then. I think that's how a lot of mods worked back then, actually.
Okay.
I don't think it had to be a jar back then. It does now, but yeah. I remember I couldn't work out how to update I remember I never updated it to 1.7 because they changed the way everything worked, and I couldn't work out how to make my mod work in 1.7. I could probably do it now, but I don't have the source code anymore. Otherwise, I would throw the source code onto GitHub. It's taking a bit. Now remember there was an item in this so you kill any mob in a single hit, but it was like super expensive, required like tons of diamonds. Why won't this load? The wall's breaking. It's not loading. I've got all these classes in here. It probably wouldn't be too hard to deobfuscate this. I mean, it probably wouldn't be too hard to decompile this and get the mod to work again. Honestly, I don't think I obfuscated any of this. That's why I tried to make an entity, but it never ended up working. Like, I could never get the model to load.
It's a program that lets you make entities and it will work.
There wasn't back then. There was basically nothing back then.
You,
Wait,
there is a,
why am my sound files? Well, that'll be why it never worked. Creepy, look at these sound files. Do you notice anything about them?
I don't see any thing yet.
The WMA files. What do these sound like? What do these actually sound like? I'm curious now.
Oh yeah, I saw them.
Say that I'm going to regret playing these.
Guys, Irios here. Guys, Irios.
Oh my god!
What is it?
Oh my
What
god!
is it?
I should not have opened that.
What is it? I want to listen. I want to play it. I want to listen to it.
No.
What is that sound? What is that?
Um. For some reason, nothing else wants to play. Whatever. Alright, we're in the game. Alright. So these are the items we got. So, let's take a look. First one are the ores. We're already off to a great start with these textures. And this one here never ended up even spawning in the end. So first to start with the best item. God, this is yagging a lot. Why is it already nighttime? What the hell? What the hell am I hearing?
It's a nice block name you got there with the purple and black one.
I know. That's right. Oh, this is before spectator mode. Okay. What is tin ore? Right. Okay. These ores aren't that interesting. You get the point. They're ores. You find them on the ground. Except this one never spawns. Oh god. Wait, why are these textures not working? These textures should be working. I remember making textures for these. Why are those textures not working? Textures. Items.
Did I just see cyan ore?
Yeah.
What is this?
Why are these textures aren't working when they should be? Oh my god, my old Minecraft skin. What is it an animal sound? Nice. Okay. Look, guys. I don't want to tell you, like, the signs of me being queer were always here. Alright? The signs of being queer were here, like, right there all from the beginning. Oh, got rainbow wall. It's so ugly. Okay. I don't know why these textures. Eel bedrock. What is? This actually kind of looks nice. Yu cyanamber. I think half of these are unobtainable. Hot dirt. Hotter dirt. Super hot dirt. Extremely hot dirt. Hottest dirt. Ash dirt. Heated ash dirt. I remember you could somehow turn these into diamonds. I think, like, you could, like, smelt dirt into diamonds eventually. Let's actually try that out. can smelt dirt into that. How do I turn on streamer mode? This is so annoying. Where's mute? You turn on streamer mode. This is getting notifications here is annoying.
Have you seen me in the mod?
Oh, you want the mod?
Yeah, because I can't get it from the website because it's Mediafire. You removed it from Mediafire, doesn't
No,
it?
I didn't Mediafire removed it. Why can't I upload this? No. Come on. Can you stop yagging?
I don't want to turn on the Minecraft music because it's, I can barely hear your voice on the stream.
Yeah, Minecraft music's a bit loud. So from what I remember, you can smelt dirt and get diamonds. So I remember this being a thing. You could smelt dirt. I think you needed 9 of it. You could eventually get a diamond. Yeah, it creates hot dirt. And then do we have kill at E in this version? So remember, you could take this hot dirt, you could then smelt that. You could then smelt that. And you can smelt it again. Remember this being a thing. Like, you could smelt dirt a whole bunch. And get diamonds. Eventually. I think. Hardest dirt, and then you'd smelt the hardest dirt, I think. No, I think what you do is you get like a water bucket, and then a crafting table.
It says hot dirt and hotter dirt.
I think you can eventually use it to create diamonds. Then you create ash dirt with a water bucket, and then you smelt the ash dirt.
What are these tools?
heated ash dirt, and then I think, how would this work? There was a way to somehow turn this into diamond. I bet it's, I bet it's on the forum. Okay, it's not. Do I need to install not enough items? I think I need to install not enough items, because I don't remember how to do this.
The actual, oh my god.
Install not enough items for 1.6. This is for 1.7.
I just found something in your mod.
What?
Go to your tools tab and look at the block destroyer.
The Arc Destroyer? I don't see it. There's 3 different versions of it. I remember this. This is a thing we use to break bedrock. Yeah, you could use this to delete bedrock. I remember now. So you could get a block of bedrock and you could right click it with this, and it would delete it. I remember you could also upgrade these. I need to install not enough items so I can remember how all this worked. Yeah, I'm gonna go down with not enough items.
You didn't get the right one.
There's if you can upgrade them, I know that. I remember. I'm gonna go down with not enough items real quick because I don't remember how to craft, and the forum isn't that helpful. So, not enough items, mods. It's dumb. Alright, let's restart Minecraft. Installing NEI so I can work out how you do this. Because I don't remember the crafting recipes. And I want to show you all them. That just crash. Why did that just crash?
I have to go now, so enjoy your stream.
Okay, I'm trying to install not enough items so I can work out what the crafting recipes were, but it just crashed.
See ya. Bye.
Alright, screw it, we're not doing NEI. We'll just check it out in creative mode, I guess. Oh wait, it needs code chicken core. I remember now. I guess we will do it then. There's a mods and there's a core mods folder. Right, okay, I remember now, yeah, you needed code chicken core back then. And you had to put things in the core mods folder instead of the mods folder. Let's click this. It's 1710, we need 16. Okay, now how does this work again? Place the NEI gel into the core mods folder. Okay, he's both going to the core mods folder, not the mods folder. I remember this. This was annoying. There were 2 mods folders back then. Okay. That should fix it. Let's see if we can get NEI now. Five mods loaded. Hey, this one says it goes in normal mods and not core mods. Okay. Doesn't look like it's working, so I'm gonna try it in the mods folder instead. Core mods might have been 1.5. I remember that being a thing. Minecraft just crashed. So I must not be doing that right either. Let's code chicken call going. How do you do this? How do you install not enough items? I can't work this out. This is like such a simple mod, but I don't actually know how to install it. Goes in the core mods folder. Yeah, it goes in the core mods folder. Okay. And it still crashes. How do you... Core mods. I wish this had like any info on how to actually use it. It is downloads a module or something, but this no longer exists. It tries to download this, but this file doesn't exist anymore. So let's download from archive.org then. I think that's the problem. Yeah, I think I tried to download this, but it failed. And that's why it wasn't working. So if I just download this myself from the Wayback Machine, maybe it'll work this time. Maybe. Let's see. Hey, it's not crashing now. Okay, we got it. We got not enough items. Alright. How do I get the thing on the side? Is that only in survival mode, perhaps? Oh, it's a water bucket and a snowball. Alright. So, you'll see if I, turn this on to this, turn this into this, and turn this into firework. Anyway, you get the idea, right? So you get the heated ash dot. You then get yourself water bucket, snowball. Alright, you get these two items. And then you do this, 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 and you get a diamond nugget, or diamond shroud. And then with 9 diamond shrouds, you make a single diamond. So yeah, we just converted dirt into a diamond. You get how it works. I'm going to try out what he said. We said grab this block destroyer. So let's do that. This block destroyer specifically. Oh, that. Oh. Okay. Why won't it show me the recipe? It's just giving me them. How about it show me the recipe? Pushing stone. Is it you? Oh, you can upgrade it. So you set up this one. You get from 1 block, so you put the ruby pickaxe. How do you make a block destroyer? Oh wait, ruby pickaxe and green dye. Okay. Then a ruby and a sapphire makes that one. 2 coal and that makes that one. A TNT, a gunpowder, and that makes that one. And this 3 TNT. Okay. Nice. What else is there? Instant kill, 3 uses. Oh, I'm gonna do this. Okay, this is a cool weapon. Check this out. Okay, so this weapon, I'm gonna kill a zombie. Yeah, check that out. And if I use it on this one, bricks. How do I make that? Remember I'm having a really crazy crafting recipe. We're having a really crazy crafting recipe, so instant kill. Show me the recipe. Alright, so an instant kill is ultra diamonds and a mega diamond surrounded by blaze rods. Alright. Alright, so it's ultra diamonds. It's an ultra diamond surrounded by a mega blaze rods and a mega diamonds. So these guys don't. Sorry, these guys don't usually own in this version. Forgot about that. So anyway, as I was trying to explain, it's a mega diamond and then ultra diamonds, and ultra diamonds are 9 blocks of diamonds, which cost 9 diamonds. And the mega diamond is 9 ultra diamonds, which is 9 blocks of diamonds. But it only works 3 times. So if you want to upgrade it for one that works infinitely, you then surround it with mega diamonds, which is like a ton of diamonds. Is it worth it? No, it's not. But one thing you can do is you can, first off, get rid of these guys. You can one-shot the Ender Dragon. So if I summon an Ender Dragon, oh, it's not summoned in this version. I do an end portal. I'm gonna go beat the Ender Dragon right now. It's weird not hearing sound effects for that. Alright, so in the end, so here's the Ender Dragon. And it's like the old school Ender Dragon too. He like never flies at you. You see that? I hit it once, and now the Ender Dragon's dying. Now he's back? What? Apparently this is very bugged. He died. And then he just kind of doesn't come back. Yeah, he just respawns. What? There we go. Alright, that worked. Cool, go get the dragon in a single hit. Totally not overpowered. You know, it's balanced, it's almost impossible to get. There are creative mode only items, like these pickaxe, shovels, and whatever, which are super overpowered. As you can imagine. So go to survival. Just heal myself. There's actually a healing item in here. There is a healing stone U. If you right click on this, it fully heals you. There's another one you can use to punch people with, and it heals things you punch instead. And you can swap between them by just putting them in your crafting table. I don't know how to make it so you could actually swap between them. You see, this is a pretty overpowered. Oops. Pretty overpowered pickaxe. Anyway, let's go mining because there's a bunch of new ores. Like for example, there is ink sac ore, which drops a ton of ink sacs. Yes, there's a ton of ink sacs. This makes mining very annoying sometimes. As you can see, one vein of it basically just filled my inventory. So let's delete all that. What is this? This is gunpowder ore. So you mine this and you get gunpowder. That's, you know, pretty simple. These are diamond shrouds. You can find those, and if you get 9 of them, you can craft a diamond. These are rubies. And you can make a pickaxe out of these. Okay. Bone ore, you know, just drops bones. Pretty neat. Probably should call them fossils or something. Some more of that. Sapphire. No, that's ender pearl ore. It drops ender pearls. Nice. There's just an ore that drops ender pearls. Awesome. More rubies. Cyan ore. What do you do with cyan ore? Okay, you can smelt cyan ore into cyan dye. Okay. What's this iron look like? Oh, hopper. Just hopper ore. Okay. What else can we find? More sapphire. Oh, that's right. This is evil. Boat ore. It just drops boats. Yeah. Evil. Yes, let's look at what some of the legit options were. You could get lightning gem pickaxes, which you made using. For some reason, clicking on this wants to spawn in instead of telling me the crafting recipe. It's annoying. It still wants to spawn in. I want to show you all the crafting recipe, but I can't work out how to. It's like a key combo you can do to work this out. If I do use lightning gems, and the way you craft lightning gems is with craft mines, or with a blaze powder and an Elio gem. An Elio gem, I think, is one of the orbs. I think it's like the main orb adds. You know, and craft mines you make of three of these on a crafting table. So these are kind of the best items you can get in the mod. So now I want it to spawn them in, it's not spawning them in. Okay, so this is what you would have legit if you paid legit. You can see this is also kind of overpowered, but you know, at least it has a durability. So you know, fire ingots. Fire ingots. What do you use fire ingots for? They've used this fuel. Cool. I think I was gonna add a function for them and never did. I think that was the goal. Wait. What? Fire? Wait, it just dropped fire. Oh, that's right. That's what you used to be able to pick up fire as an item, and this is a way to get it. But sometimes it would drop that. Sometimes it would drop fire. That's interesting. How does that work? Oh, there's just two versions of it: fire ore and fire ingot ore, and they both look identical. I guess that works. About to use on my vision. Hang on. Alright, what is this? Okay, it's potatoes. This is Elio gem ore. This is the stuff you use to make all the other stuff. Alright. So that's enough of the ores, I think. Oh, there's also a slime ore apparently. Anyway, I think you get the idea of that anyway. So let's head back up to the service. Alright, let's look at the lightning sword. Lightning sword. You can summon lightning. But doing that in survival mode anyway. I use a bit of durability. It uses a lot of durability to do it. But yes, you can do it. A lightning rod? What's a lightning rod? Okay, it just summons lightning. I think it was meant to be animated, but I don't think the animation works anymore. How do I craft this? Once again, it refuses to tell me how to craft it. What was even the point of getting NEI if I won't even do the most basic thing and tell me how to craft stuff? Oh, there we go. Okay, that's how you craft it. A lightning gem and Elio gem. So what can you use straight Elio gems for? You can use them to you can craft Elio gem ore. I'm sure that's not broken with fortune or anything. But you know, I was 9, didn't think of that. Elio gem sword. Elio gem pickaxe. You can craft an Elio. And you can craft the healing stone. Okay. So Elios. So now I want to treat it in. Now it won't tell me how to treat it in. Alright. Now I want to cheat and I can't. Okay. So Elios. Elios. They might be in the regular foodstuffs. Yes, they are. There's a sea spawn and there's an Elio. There's also ink apparently. So I guess let's go survival. It gave me blindness. I guess that's kind of expected. Let's try to sea spawn. That poisoned me. But that gave me regeneration forever? Sweet, that's overpowered. Alright, surrounding my ink to make sea spawns. Cool. Elio Piank fence. So those Elio Pianks and Elio Piank fences. But I don't think I ever got the... I don't think I ever got the texture to work. But they did exist. I just don't think I ever got the texture to work on it. So I never added it in. There are these book items. And what these essentially did is if I kick them and it would place down whatever block. And from what I remember, this was basically just copy pasted from the Flint and Steel, the code for this. Block of ruby. I guess that's kind of cool. The awesome block. There's also an X-ray block and a force field block. Yes, that's right. I added barriers years before Mojang did. Check it out. It's a barrier block, and this was in here way before Mojang did it. So let me just prove it to you. Give barrier. That's my name. Give Silica and Peanut barrier. Barrier is not a valid number. This is still using item IDs. you have an idea of how old this is. Yeah, see, barriers didn't exist, but here you go. I made barriers for anyone else. And then there's the X-ray block. X-ray block, you get 2 X-ray. That's literally its entire purpose. I wonder how to craft these, hang on. Cause that's how you make an X-ray block. And then a force field. It's crafted with 9 gas. A mod misc, orb container. I don't remember what these orb containers are for. I think I was. You can use them to craft a grappling hook. Container empty. Orb container full is useless, but this one's basically grappling. Let's try the grappling hook. How does this work? I guess. I mean, it's pretty basic, but I guess it works. Yeah. Okay, it's pretty basic. It does work, it seems. Alright, simple enough. Sword, marshmallows. Oh look, a suicide pill. Let's see what that does. I think we can all guess though. Yeah, it just instantly kills you. Carrot soup, gray stripe, free simple, open here. What is this Petra item? Wasn't there a mob as well? I don't think I ever actually got the mob to spawn. I don't think I may have spawned a set spawn point block. Cool. Springy boot thing. So I remember these. You could right kick them and you could like fly. Again, years before levitation was ever in effect, I had levitation. Mojang should really hire me. How do you craft the springy boot things? Diamond boots, pin steel, some feathers. Any of these things useful? How do you craft the suicide pill? Single block of that, okay. With the shears, do these even work? Oh wow, they do. Cool. Let's check out all the block destroyers. So the first one just deletes the block. The second one deletes a bunch of blocks. Cool. The third one says the current block you can get to call. fourth one sets its TNT, and then this one does that. That's kind of cool. Dyed pickaxes? Why? Diamond pickaxe. Okay. I think I was gonna add all the colors, but never did. Graphene hook. What else is in here? I think that might be it. It does seem like everything. I think I've gone over everything that's in here now. Tile random block drop. What is this? Does it do anything? They do nothing. Let's look at all of the uses for the craft mines. Why are there 2 recipes to make fire? Why do you make 600 arrows? How does that even work? Talk around first, force field, disaster. Talk about Urios are nice. Overall, I don't really see much too interesting in here yet. Endor, I don't think that ever generates, and it's a slow all the ores. Uriel gems, gunpowder, bones, diamond shards, carrot ore, rubies, fire ingot, boat ore, potato ore, hopper ore, cyan ore, slime ball ore, amethyst ore, sapphire ore, copper ore, and tin ore. So yeah, I think that's everything. There isn't much yet in here I haven't looked at. Hell. Spawn entity.passive block.name. Okay, this was the entity I was trying to add, but never ended up actually adding. Don't think it works. But I was trying to make a mob, but it doesn't work, as you can see. I need an instant kill. I can't get rid of it. Drops Urios. Hey, that works at least. Yes, I think it does. Yeah, it drops Urios and Urio pickaxes. Okay, at least that part of it works. These guys go away. Alright, so I think it's time to data mine this. So let's go out of the game. Let's open up the files and let's data mine this. So mod assets, look at the assets. Minecraft sound mob Urios. So let's check out these other WMAs. Ow, my ears. can't even do that voice anymore. It's so sad. Used to be able to do a very high-pitched voice, but now I can't do it. Here are the textures for the blocks. So Ender ore, Uriogem ore, Obsidian chunk ore. I don't think that's actually in there. Yeah, I don't think I ever ended up actually making that. Items. So here we go. There's all the items. There's a pick. See things in here seem missing. Like where's the Ponyo sea? There's the creeper face. There's the Ashbits. I guess some textures were just removed at some point. Annie? Wait, what? Who's this? Oh, from Attack on Titan. I never even watched Attack on Titan. But I know that's where that's from. Gives you an idea of a time frame, I guess. Alright, Forge. Secretly language files. Forge, I guess I was trying to add a command. I think I was trying to add a command. Interesting. Umod. Always cast files. I don't really want to look into this. I kind of just want to. I'm sure you can look through this. I'll upload this to archive log actually. In fact, I'll go do that right now. Dates, wasn't that like 2003, 2013, or something like 2013? I don't know when in 2013. It's in English. And yeah, you guys it can be public domain. Sure. Created by 10 years ago. Very years ago. You have been warned. Yeah, it's just good. I guess it's linked to the page. Okay. Alright. So it's now on the Wayback Machine. If anyone else wants to mess around with it, I just uploaded it, so it should be good. Alright, well that's probably about it. Once this finishes uploading, and I'll stop streaming. That's it. That's the Minecraft mod I made 10 years ago. Alright. So I guess I'll edit the video to include this. Alright. That's it. Thanks for watching, I guess. And yeah, goodbye.